In the bustling universe of project management software, finding the right tool can feel like searching for a needle in a digital haystack. You're bombarded with options, each promising to be the ultimate solution to your organizational woes. Among the contenders, wrike has consistently stood out, garnering attention for its robust feature set and adaptable nature. But the crucial question remains: is wrike truly the best alternative among the myriad of project management tools available? As a seasoned project management professional, I've had the opportunity to navigate this complex landscape, testing and implementing various platforms across diverse teams and industries. My aim here isn't to blindly sing wrike's praises, but to provide a comprehensive, unbiased analysis, breaking down its strengths, weaknesses, and how it stacks up against the competition. Think of this as your in-depth guide to understanding whether wrike is the right fit for your specific needs, regardless of your technical expertise or familiarity with project management methodologies. What makes a best alternative anyway? Before we delve into wrike, it's essential to define what constitutes a best alternative. This isn't a one-size-fits-all answer. The ideal project management software depends heavily on several factors, including team size and structure. A small, agile team will have different requirements than a large, multi-departmental organization. Industry and project complexity. The needs of a marketing agency managing multiple campaigns will differ significantly from a construction firm overseeing a large-scale project. Budget. Project management software comes in a wide range of pricing tiers, and cost-effectiveness is a crucial consideration. Required features. Some teams prioritize task management and collaboration, while others need advanced features like resource management, budgeting, and risk assessment. Ease of use and adoption. A powerful tool is useless if the team finds it too complex or cumbersome to use. Integration capabilities. The ability to seamlessly connect with other essential business tools, like CRM, communication platforms, and file storage, is vital. Therefore, the best alternative is the one that most effectively addresses these unique needs and pain points. Wrike, a feature-rich contender. Wrike positions itself as a versatile platform suitable for a wide range of teams and project complexities. Let's explore its key strengths. Robust task management. At its core, wrike excels at organizing and managing tasks. It offers multiple views, including list, board, Kanban, Gantt chart, and calendar, allowing teams to visualize their work in the most suitable format. Features like subtasks, dependencies, due dates, assignees, and custom workflows provide granular control over project execution. Powerful collaboration tools. Effective communication is paramount in project management, and wrike offers a suite of collaboration features. Real-time commenting on tasks, file sharing, at mentions, and team-specific workspaces facilitate seamless communication and information exchange. Customizable workflows. Wrike's adaptability shines through its customizable workflows. Teams can define their own project stages, task statuses, and automation rules to align with their specific processes. This flexibility makes it suitable for various methodologies, from waterfall to agile. Gantt charts for visual planning. The interactive Gantt charts in wrike provide a clear visual representation of project timelines, dependencies, and progress. This is invaluable for planning complex projects, identifying potential bottlenecks, and tracking critical paths. Resource management capabilities. Wrike offers features for managing team workload and resource allocation. This helps prevent overbooking, ensures balanced workloads, and optimizes resource utilization. Reporting and analytics. Gaining insights into project performance is crucial for continuous improvement. Wrike provides customizable dashboards and reports that track progress, identify risks, and measure team productivity. Integration ecosystem. Wrike boasts a wide range of integrations with popular business applications, including Google Workspace, Microsoft 365, Salesforce, and Slack. This ensures seamless data flow and eliminates the need for manual data entry across different platforms. Scalability. Wrike offers different pricing tiers and features designed to accommodate teams of all sizes, from small startups to large enterprises. This scalability ensures that the platform can grow with your organization. Where does wrike fall short? Potential drawbacks. Despite its strengths, wrike isn't without its potential drawbacks. Complexity for beginners. While its extensive features are a major advantage for experienced project managers, the sheer number of options and settings can be overwhelming for newcomers or smaller teams with simpler needs. The learning curve can be steeper compared to more basic project management tools. Pricing structure. Wrike's pricing can become relatively expensive as you scale up and require more advanced features or user seats. Smaller teams with limited budgets might find other more affordable alternatives. User interface, subjective while functional. Some users find wrike's user interface less intuitive or visually appealing compared to some of its more modern competitors. Navigation can sometimes feel a bit cluttered. Mobile app limitations. While wrike offers mobile apps for iOS and Android, some users report that the mobile experience is less feature-rich than the desktop version. Overkill for simple projects. If your projects are relatively straightforward with minimal dependencies and collaboration needs, wrike's extensive feature set might be overkill, and a simpler tool could be more efficient and cost-effective. Wrike versus the competition. A comparative glance. To truly assess if wrike is the best alternative, we need to consider how it stacks up against some of its prominent competitors. Asana. Often lauded for its user-friendly interface and strong task management capabilities, Asana excels in collaboration and is generally considered easier to learn than wrike. However, wrike offers more advanced features like resource management and customizable workflows in its higher-tier plans. Trello. A visually intuitive Kanban-based tool ideal for agile teams and simple project management. Trello's strength lies in its simplicity and ease of use. However, it lacks the advanced features and scalability of wrike for complex projects. Monday.com. Known for its highly customizable and visually appealing interface, Monday.com offers a wide range of templates and integrations. While powerful, its pricing structure can also become expensive as you add more features and users. Wrike offers more granular control over workflows in some aspects. Jira. Primarily designed for software development teams using agile methodologies, Jira offers robust bug tracking and sprint planning features. While it can be used for other project types, its focus on software development makes wrike a more versatile option for diverse industries.